I was doing a Bible study when I accidentally found black people in the New Testament. Not what I expected to see, because in the English translations, it just says that this person is from Ethiopia that Philip was led by an angel to go and meet. When you look at the Hebrew to English versions, when I translated them using Google Translate, it uses the word Negro. And I thought, that's interesting. Let me try the same thing in Greek. And what do you know? The Greek versions have the same word. Well, when we look further in the book of Acts, we see that there was a Simon that was called Niger and Lucius of Cyrene. This just happens to be a place in Africa, and when you look at the CJB, the word Niger is known as the Black. And when you look at the man who carried the cross of the Messiah, his name was Simon, and he was a Cyrenian, and he was the father of Alexander and Rufus, and they just happened to find an artifact that is inscribed twice in Greek, Alexander, son of Simon. And this is why they are dividing us races, because they do not want us working together and spreading truth.